Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to reset the Windows 10 firewall to default. Click Start, Settings. Click Update and Security. Click Windows Security. Click Firewall and Network Protection. Click Restore Firewall to Default. Click Restore Defaults. Click Yes to continue. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.